Alright, so how to use the apostrophe? When do we use it? What does it mean? What's that little flick all about? Keep watching and find out. And if this is the first time to the channel, click on the subscribe button below if you want to learn more English. So let's learn English with Adrian. Right, so the apostrophe. Let's have a look. What does it do? We use the apostrophe to shorten the words. We contract them together. So if I'm going from there is a door. There's a door. There's apostrophe S, or there apostrophe S, there's a door. There's a door, pay attention, there's a door. Here's a whiteboard. Here's a whiteboard. We also use it to show possession. But what does possession mean? Yeah. So possession means something you possess, something you have. This is Adrian's pen. Adrian, apostrophe S, pen. This is Adrian's whiteboard. That is Jessica's door. That's Jessica's hat. Yeah. These are Adrian's, well, this is Adrian's floor, so this is Adrian's floor. Yeah, it's my floor, not yours. My pen, not yours. Possession. What do you possess? The things that you have. But most of the time, we simply just remove the vowel from the sentence. When we shorten a word, of course. So, we look at there is. I. There is. I-S, I. A-E-I-O-U. Vowels. A-E-I-O-U. There is, there's. There aren't. There aren't. A-R-N-T. You get rid of the A and the, what is it? A-R. There aren't. A-R-N apostrophe T. There aren't. There aren't any, I don't know, there aren't any computers. There aren't any aeroplanes. There aren't any cars. Do you see any cars in here? I don't. There aren't any cars. Oh man, pay attention. Yeah. But it's worth understanding that no possession, no apostrophe. If you don't have something, there's no apostrophe. If this isn't your pen, if this isn't my pen, then there's no apostrophe, it's just the pen. There is a pen. Again, contraction, but there is a pen. There's a pen. There's a whiteboard. But whose whiteboard is it? Well, whoever it belongs to, the possession, whoever it's a possession of is not here. Where is he? Oh, I don't know. It's someone's pen. Someone, apostrophe S, someone's pen. Ooh. But it's not my pen, so it's not Adrian's, well, it's not Adrian's board, it's someone's. Yeah. But let's look at some examples. Let's keep learning. So, let's look at some words, shall we? That's what we're here to do. So we have, here is, here's, there is, over there. There is, I don't know, there is a shop. There's a shop. Aren't, are not. No, there are not. Are not. There aren't any English people. There aren't any English people. There are no English people. Yeah. They are. They are. What are they doing? They're English. Are they? They are. They are, yeah. It is. It's. It is. It's exciting. You should try it. It's exciting. You should subscribe. It's exciting. You are. You. You are. You're watching my video. You're learning English. So let's have a look. So here's the shop. Here is a shop. Here's the shop. There is. Here's the shop. There is the shop. Are not. They aren't English. They are exciting. Or even the inverse. They aren't exciting. They are boring. They're not exciting. It is. It's going to rain. Eeh. You are. You're, I don't know. You're still watching the video. Good for you. Good idea. So, this makes the words a bit more informal. more loose, relaxed, at ease, more of a language you'd use when speaking, the path of least resistance, as opposed to here is the answer, there is the shop. When here there are no doors, there are no unlocked doors. There aren't any locked doors. It is the stop. It is the place you want to be. It's the place you want to be. It is the shop. It's the shop. It's more relaxed. It is exciting. It is very exciting. It's exciting. It's very exciting. Let's keep going. Let's look at some more English. So let's look at possession. So, own something. What do you have? What do you own? What do you have? What belongs to you? What do you possess? So, this hat belongs to Adrian. How cool is that? This is Adrian's hat. Hat. We just add apostrophe S to the noun, to the person it belongs to, or thing, and the object. The cat's food. Nom 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 nom. Meow. The whiteboard's pen. This pen belongs to the whiteboard. They kind of go together. Not like the whiteboard physically owns it. It's just, this is the pen you use for the whiteboard. Like with the food. The cat doesn't own the food in per se, but it is the cat's food, because I'm not going to dispute its claim, well, so to speak, over the food. I'm not going to say, yeah, that's its food, but it's not really its food. It's just, that's the cat's food. The cat's eating the food, that's the cat's food. This hat is mine. I have it, I own it, I bought it, I use it. It's in my possession. It's my hat. So we use it for possession, things you own. So what do you own? What do you own? What do you have? What's in your possession? You could say then, this book is Adrian's. The book. These braces, apostrophe S, are mine. These glasses, they're not yours. Whose are they? I don't know. Whose glasses, well, whose glasses do you have? Because these glasses are mine. What about your glasses? To whom do they belong to? I don't know. Maybe. Okay. Let's keep going. But one little interesting caveat. When the word ends in S, what do we do? Like James or Lucas. What do we do? So we have the base, James or Lucas, ends in an S. Do we add S, apostrophe S, or just S and apostrophe and leave it at that? Well, we'll leave it at that. We'll just add the apostrophe. We'll write the name out as usual. This is James's hat. This is Lucas's song. But we just add the apostrophe and leave it at that. We do not add another S after the apostrophe. We just don't. We just leave it as it is. Lucas's shop. Lucas's hat. Lucas's song, album. Lucas's anything. James's house. James's property. We add apostrophe. We add an apostrophe and leave it at that. So let's run through that again as a summary, a nice way to bring it all together. Shorten the words. Apostrophe is used to shorten the words. A contraction. Bring it all together closer. So there's a hat, turns into there's a hat. There is a hat, there's a hat. Yeah. And used to show possession. Who owns something? Adrian's hat, with an S. Apostrophe S. Adrian's hat, Adrian's camera, Adrian's video. But then again, if the word ends in an S already, S, apostrophe, that's it. This is James's hat, James's job, James's whatever. Anything. So generally we remove the vowel. There is, I, when we shorten especially, there's, there is, there aren't, there isn't, N apostrophe T, there isn't. No ownership, no possession, No apostrophe. Worth remembering that. But if you want to learn more and watch other videos and learn more English with Adrian, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell notification next to it, and keep learning English. There's more videos to come. Keep going. Keep learning. But for those of that, for those of you that are cheeky enough to stay to the end, here's a bonus lesson just for you. What do we do when it's a plural? What do we do with mass ownership, mass possession? What do? We simply add an S. Well, add an apostrophe to the S at the end. So we go boy turns into boys. S apostrophe S and then apostrophe. The people. Oh, the other way around. So peoples. There we are. Peoples. The people's thing. So we could say this is the boy's life. The boy's life. That's their life. The people's shop. The people's shop. It could be the name, people's shop, or it could be owned by a certain group of people. That's those people. That's the people's shop. Or likewise, people's home. An old people's home. That home over there, that house over there, is for old people. It's an old person's, old people's home. Or even the boy's home. Let's say there's twins. Where do they live? That's their home. The boy's home. Or even the boy's shop. It could just be a family called Boyce. B-O-Y-C-E, for example. Or that's a family name. But boys, people, boys. The boy's shop, the boy's life. The boy's home, the people's home, people's shop. The people's life. People, the general public, that's the people's life. They want to live their own life and do what they want. Do what they can. So mass ownership, S, apostrophe, as opposed to apostrophe S. Otherwise you're going crazy, adding S and apostrophe all over the place. Too many S's. Keep it simple. Path of least resistance. Keep it nice and simple. Don't overcomplicate English more than it already is. But, however, if you want to learn more English and keep watching videos just like this, subscribe, comment below, and click on the bell notification right next to it for more videos. But until then, keep learning English. Let's keep going. See you soon.